Hi everybody. Today we're going to come on here and I'm going to give a little education on some of the treatments and products that I do believe in, I trust, and I love to give and receive these treatments. And we're going to start from, I'll say, the more known to, again, your everyday. Okay, so first off, of course, many people know Botox. So of course we do Botox treatments here, and we also provide Dysport. So Botox and Dysport, very similar, and those are more for muscle movement, muscle relaxation, muscle smoothing. Of course, we do upper face, we do lower face, and we also do neck. And of course, for the men, there are also areas that we can do that will help elongate and give you a little bit more of girth. So we can do that also with these treatments. And then of course, I have been told recently about what is called bone mashing. Not quite sure why, or I can say maybe to save money, but again, that is not good for our bodies. I will not explain what it is. However, this is the safe route, I will say. You coming in and us putting in some volume into that area rather than getting a tool and creating inflammation and damage and trauma and scarring to your face. No, come in, and again, we can go ahead and we can add some volume with any of these treatments and stuff. We can talk to see which one is best for you. So that is those. And then of course, another one of my favorites is microneedling. Microneedling, again, this is the pin itself. This is the tip. In this tip, there are 12 tiny needles in there, go in 12 times per second, causing 144 pokes per second. And that treatment we can do with multiple, I will say, treatments. One is upside down. This is for PRP. This is to pull your blood so that we can get your PRP and growth factors, that beautiful gold. That in itself, we can microneedle it into your skin. Plus also exozomes. Exozomes, adding it in. That will make your microneedling plus your PRP with the exozomes just that improvement, the results, faster, better, quicker. You definitely want to come in and ask about that treatment in itself. Well, any of these treatments are going on in that time, including facials that we have. We can get a IV bag going. We've got many types of different IVs to help you health-wise, and even the maybe night after a night of enjoying a little bit adult beverages, we even have an IV for that. Hang in there. So come in and we can do those. Lastly, of course, today for our treatment is, again, your protection. After any of these treatments that we've talked about, I definitely want you taking care of your skin. So adding on, of course, your vitamin C once a day, okay, every day. Following it with your sunscreen. We have different types of sunscreens here and stuff, but definitely we got to pick what's right for you. And then always remember, sunscreens only last for about 80 minutes, and then you've got to follow up with your sunscreen. So Color Science does have a sunscreen, and it is a powdered form. So you just kind of come in. This one is a new one, of course. You fling it, you'll see some of that pigmentation / sunscreen come out, and you just brush it over so you can put it on top of makeup if you have makeup. It mattifies. Again, a lot of us do use makeup to mattify any sort of glow or shine that we get during the day. And again, your Color Science sunscreen is the best way to go. Carry this in your purse, carry it in your car, give it to your children also, because again, reapplying sunscreen is what's going to keep your skin healthy. So any treatments that we help you with here, that is what's going to keep you going and keeping your results for the longer time that you can. So again, come in, ask questions, it's myself, Erika. We have other providers also. We have our estheticians that have many years of experience. So you coming in with me, I will hook you up with one of our experienced estheticians so that you get your best result for yourself, inside out, because we want you to feel your best. Not only looking your best, but feeling your best. So I hope to hear from you soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.